Hey guys, welcome back to the control room. This is Marston. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an adjustment layer to your videos or clips. So to do that, it's actually a very easy process. We want to come here under the project tab here and go away. It says new item. But before we do that, let's see if we can just create a timeline. I'm just going to drag one of these two videos. I downloaded this video from Pexels, so let's just drag it to create a timeline. Now that we have a timeline, let me just add the other video as well to the timeline. All right, so we have these two clips. One of this is just a clip of boats, and the other clip is just a hand holding on to this should be earbuds. All right, so we want to add an adjustment layer. So we come here under the project tab and go click where it says new item. You see here written adjustment layer. Just click on it. All right, so this window will pop up. So what this window here, it allows you to change the width and the height of the clip as well as the frames per second. So we're just going to leave it the way it is. You can also change it. If you click down here, you see several options. But depending on the project that you're working on, make sure that it suits that. So let's just click OK. We do that. If you come back here under the project tab, you can see that this black part here, that's the adjustment layer. It's written adjustment layer here. Now, before we add it to the timeline, let's see if we can rename it. Just go where it says adjustment layer, right click, and go where it says rename. Just click on it. I'm going to call it color. I'm going to add a color effect to this. I want to make these clips black and white without going individually into the clips to change that. So just click and drag this to the timeline. It has to be above the video clips to work. So what the adjustment layer does, it just affects clips that are below it. So I'm just going to add it to track 2 here, the video track 2. So let's just click and highlight it. Now obviously there are two ways to add effects here. I want to add a color effect from the lumetri. I already have it here on the right side here, but if you don't see it, you can always go to where it says window here and just make sure that lumetri color is ticked so that it appears there. The other way also, we can go to the effects tab here and search for the type of effect that we're looking for. We can search for lumetri here as well. This is lumetri. If you drag one of these presets here, it will work for you. For instance, let me see if I can find something to drag, maybe CineSpace. Just clicking it and dragging it. Already you can see that it's affecting even the colors of the video that are below. Even if we go to the other clip, as you can see, it's a very highly contrasted look to it, but that's not what we're looking for. If we come under effects controls, you can see already that the lumetri is here in the on this highlighted adjustment layer. Now what we want to do is remove that effect. So let me just click Ctrl Z and just undo what I had done. Now let me come here on the right side. All I want to do is just reduce the saturation for both so that the video becomes black and white. As you can see, I've just done that, and this is only affecting the adjustment layer. If I disable this track here, you can see that the colors return back to normal. So adjustment layers work when you're working, let's say, with multiple clips and you just want to add a same effect. Instead of working individually on the clip, you can just put an adjustment layer and add all your effects to it. Now you can put as many adjustment layers as you desire. So bear that in mind. Maybe you can put an adjustment layer for the color and create another adjustment layer, maybe that will be working for, maybe you want to blur your videos in some way. So pretty much that's it. That's how you add an adjustment layer to your videos. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really want to take this channel to 1,000 subscribers. So if you really enjoyed it and you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.